Is there a need to take an online exam with Respondus lockdown browser? Many candidates lose time because they install it incorrectly. So a small setup mistake can stop you from starting the test. Here's how to install Respondus lockdown browser step by step. First, let's know what is Respondus lockdown browser. Basically, it is exam security software designed to create a controlled testing environment for exam security. Get the official download link. Before installing the browser, you need the correct download link provided by your school, university, or testing organization. Respondus creates institution-specific versions of lockdown browser. So, downloading the version linked by your organization is very important. Now, if your institution hasn't provided a link, you can use the official Respondus download page as mentioned. Then on that page, select your institution and download the Windows installer. Download the installer. Click the download link provided by your institution. Then a Windows installer file will begin to downloading to your computer. Wait for the download to finish completely before opening the file and starting the installation. Start the installation. Now, after the download finishes, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder or Browser Downloads section. Double-click it to launch the installer and begin setup. After this, accept the license agreement. So, when the setup wizard opens, review the license agreement, accept the terms, and click Next to continue. Now, install the software. So, if prompted, choose an installation location and click Install. The installer will copy files, configure settings, and create shortcuts. Then you have to wait for the installation to complete. Complete installation. When the setup finishes, click Finish. You should now see Respondus lockdown browser on your desktop and in the Start menu. Then what you have to do is launch lockdown browser. So open the application. It may ask you to select your institution, open your exam portal, or redirect you to your learning platform. Sign in with your student credentials. Allow camera and microphone access. So if webcam monitoring is required, allow access to your camera and microphone when prompted. Make sure both devices are working properly before the exam. Finally, run a practice quiz, which is very important. So before the exam day, take a practice quiz. This helps confirm that lockdown browser, your webcam, microphone, and internet connection are all working properly before the actual test. This was all. Thanks for watching.